So now let's do analysis on our AUDUSD for the week. So before you go, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Now you can see our AUDUSD. We actually have a fall for the past week. I think about 2 weeks now. We've actually had that fall, and now we're actually having a bullish move. So this week we are actually going to be seeing a retracement and a bullish move. By the way, our AUD will be moving bullish against our USD. If we are to analyze it, go on our USD index, you can see that our USD index will actually be falling. By the way, we saw a rejection here, something like a double top, by the way. So you're actually going to be having a fall. By the way, you're actually going to be having a fall. So to understand it more, I'm going to be doing a DXY index analysis, so you can watch it and understand what I meant, what I understand. So you'll be able to understand our DXY. So now, as we can see, our AUD is actually going to be going bullish. By the way, we've actually seen a fall. Now let's sit here. Our price as well serves as a support here. See support here. We see here as a support, even here as a support. Even this place as well serves as a support. This is another key area here whereby we'll be having that bullish move here. We saw this key level here. So definitely, since our USD index will actually be falling this week, any pair relating to our USD itself would actually be rising. So as our index will be falling this week on our USD will be falling this week, definitely we'll be seeing a rise against our USD this week. So our AUD against our USD will actually be going bullish. So let's aim to take our buy on our AUD USD. Now you can see a bullish move. We are starting to see this bullish move bullish uptrend on our AUD USD. By the way, you saw this retracement. We've seen under previous high, breaking our previous higher high, then we saw a fall. Definitely I'm seeing here as taking out a lot of traders, but set your stop loss very wide, so it will not take you out on time. So I'm going to mark here this key area here. Then definitely we're actually going to be seeing a bullish move, breaking our previous higher highs this week. So our AUD is actually going to be going bullish against our USD this week. And now our 1 hour time frame, see, we are going to be going bullish uptrend this week on our AUD USD. So that is my analysis for the week. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.